You know, as much as I love math and learning, I hate physics. I don't know, it just never really, rubbed me the right way. I just can never get behind it. But even with that, I love space. I know I'm weird, don't worry. And I'm sure a lot of people feel that way, at least the not liking physics part. But physics are honestly pretty important to the world we live in today. Now, I'm not gonna sit here and try to say that the laws of physics are wrong and need to be changed. I'm not smart enough to figure that out. But I can look up stuff online and read them to you and repeat what they say. Now, what are the laws of physics? Well, kind of the world we live in today is like the simple answer. There are a bunch of laws and theories and principles, and they're kind of what scientists say the universe is made of. So, why or really how could these laws be wrong? Well, think about it. These laws work perfectly fine on Earth, but what happens if we leave Earth? Well, on the moon they work too. But what if we leave the solar system or even the galaxy? We don't really know how big space is, and based off of statistics, there has to be technically somewhere where one or more of the laws of physics don't work. Right? The answer to that is no clue. No one has an idea. We won't know unless we find something that states otherwise. I mean, which is completely reasonable. Would you believe in aliens if you never saw one? Yeah, shut up, I'm not asking you. Still, scientifically, we can't say for sure that laws of physics are wrong unless we see something that says that they are. The problem now is just finding something that's just waving its hands in the air saying that they broke the rules, and that's kind of the hard part. Like I said, we really don't know how big the universe is since it's constantly expanding. We can only really see from so far away, but we really don't know what's past that, if anything is. And with that, there are trillions of planets and stars. Actually, honestly, I really don't even know if I can say trillions of planets and stars because there's probably a lot more out there. But what am I supposed to do? Look it up? Now, when you have so many planets, how different could they be? I mean, you have the hellhole of Gliese 436b, which is completely covered in ice, but always on fire. You also have a planet that's so dark that barely any light reflects back, a planet full of diamonds, and a lot of planets that resemble Earth. To me, it just seems like you're rolling a dice to see your planet's stats. Obviously, there are very scientific and reasonable reasons as to why each planet forms. And I know that, I really do. But I still like to think of it as just like a giant dice game going on where they just throw dice and see what the planet's stats should be. Wait. So, I was recording this and I just thought about something. What if the laws of physics are just a giant dice game? Like on or off switches or even sliders in a game determining what a planet specifically is like. That's really cool to think about. Anyway, back to your regularly scheduled program. Now, with this infinite chance of planets being different, could there be one that breaks physics? I don't know, one revolving too close to the sun but not burning up or going into the sun because of gravity, or I don't know. Based off infinity and the amount of different types of planets, yeah, it should eventually happen if the laws of physics were going to break. But what if the laws of physics themselves are just barriers saying you can't go past this? That's also a possibility, but I like to think of the cooler option. Like a planet surviving on the outer ring of a black hole or something similar to that. That's just super cool to me, and it just pleases that 12-year-old sci-fi fan in me. I know I've talked a lot about space, but we already know that the laws of physics work on Earth. Well, we know that they work everywhere right now because we haven't found anything saying otherwise. I mean, there are a lot of reports of UFOs going the speed of jets and then stopping immediately, which would cause a lot of G-force on the object? Is that the right term? I don't know, but still I'm trying to do the best I can with just straight facts and not really theories like that about aliens and stuff. Yes, I do know that breaking the laws of physics is just a theory too. But I like to think that breaking the laws of physics would be more plausible than aliens being on Earth currently. But I have been wrong in the past. Anyway, that's why I think the laws of physics could possibly be wrong. If you liked the video, hit the like button. Subscribe to catch my next one. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.